Shri Atul Boraji, my colleague in the cabinet and Minister in charge PHE, and the chairman of the regional committee, Shri R.L. Punkar, our honorable MLAs who are present out here, Madam Nandita Das and Shri Kimpa Marvaniam. Also present is our honorable MDC from this constituency, and also our honorable chief secretaries of this very, very important and, I must say, a historic visit. At the very outset, I would like to thank Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma for having agreed and jointly decided to make this visit, to come here and meet the people of this area, discuss this issue of border differences that we have, and find an amicable way to resolve this very long pending issue. Friends, the people of Lampi area and 12 other areas in Assam and Meghalaya border have been suffering for the last 49 years, where because of the differences that exist, there have been incidents, there has been tension, and most importantly, precious lives have been lost.
And also this is a historical fact that before creation of Meghalaya, we used to remain in a united state called Assam. Whatever may be the historical reason, when we bifurcated Meghalaya from the state of Assam, certain dispute stayed for long, and those disputes are still existed. All along, I am of the view that if in the year 1972 itself, the border would have been delineated properly before creation of state of Meghalaya, probably the history would have gone in a different way. Assam, right from the beginning, we have never opposed creation of states which were carved out of Assam, and unlike many other states, Assam always feel good when we are referred as a people of Northeast or as a citizen of Northeast. In fact, it is a customary in all our cultural festivals and everywhere. We always refer Northeast as a Hat Bhoni, or we always celebrate the spirit of Northeast. However, it is also a fact that we have dispute on borders, and that dispute is always becoming a irritating factor in the spirit of Northeast, or whenever we'd like to work collectively as a citizen of Northeast, those irritating factor keeps on emerging, and sometimes it also goes to a different line, or things goes beyond our control. After I assumed power Of course, before that also we used to informally discuss with my esteemed colleague Sri Conrad Sangma that Assam and Meghalaya used to resolve. We need to resolve our border dispute for the interest of both states. But when I assumed the chair of Chief Minister of Assam, I traveled down to Shillong and I have requested Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya that let us try to resolve